Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a travel app or a travel guide app, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to throw head-to-head Roadtrippers and TripIt and compare which one has better features and what you're actually paying for these features. So, let's dive in. So I'm starting out here in Roadtrippers, and already I am liking the artwork. It makes me feel like I want to travel, and it makes me feel like I want to use this travel app. So if you go down over here in the main section of your page, once you've signed in, you can create a route, right? So there's two options. You can either create a route or you can explore destinations. So let's say you're unfamiliar with wherever you're traveling and you want to explore what there is available. That's a great option. So if you want to create a route, given that you know where you're going, you can add in where you're starting and where you are going, right? There's another option. We have I want to plan it myself. Now, when you click go, you can plan this from the beginning all the way to the end and add all the details. If you click on plan it for me, it uses AI to plan absolutely everything. All right, you just choose a couple options. So we're going to just check out what this looks like and how easy it is to actually plan your own trip. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu, and in the main part of the page, you'll see a map. And here you can add waypoints, dates, routes, different options, guides, and right at the top, you can add all of your stops, such as places to camp, activities, food, places to sleep. So it's pretty cool. You have a lot of control here. But when you go ahead and you say, plan it for me, I think this is fantastic because it allows you to sort of, just in a few clicks, plan an entire trip in detail. So the first thing is stating where you're coming from and where you're going. And if you're doing a round trip or a one-way, you're going to click on next, choose your dates, click on next. Here it asks you what you're driving. Now this makes a huge difference in terms of what terrain you can use and also how much fuel you're going to be using, so it can tally up what it's going to cost you. So once you've chosen the vehicle, you're going to say next, and here you are going to choose who is traveling. So depending again who's traveling, there will be different activities on this trip. Here you can choose the type of accommodation, including the price range. And here you can choose what types of places you'd like to eat, including what sort of price range. And then activities, what sort of activities you'd like to be doing, and a price range. And you can now generate your trip. Now, basically what it does is it cross-references a bunch of trips and it builds a fantastic trip for you. Now, while we're waiting for this, what we're going to do is we're going to jump over into TripIt. Now, from TripIt, okay, TripIt is very much hands-on. So you're literally going to be doing everything for yourself. So if you go and click on add a new trip, you're going to enter a trip name, your destination. So let's just do Knoxville. And we are going to then choose a date that we're leaving and choose a date that we're coming back. And we say save. Now what it does is it creates this trip. And here you can print the trip details, you can merge it with another trip, and then you can also export this trip to a calendar that you've connected. You can also just edit this info, including this cover picture over here. That's fantastic. So there are a few options, and I like it very much. However, when you have to add plans, everything's manual. So there's no AI jumping in here and doing anything for you. So let's say you want to, rent a car. Right here, you have to add the company's name, the date that you're going to be picking it up, the time that you're going to be picking it up, the time and the date that you're going to be dropping it off, and so it goes on. Once you've added this in here, it is in your trip, but everything is pretty much done manually, which can be nice, but it would be also nice if you had the option of having it automatically made for you. Now let's jump back into Roadtrippers. Now Roadtrippers, as you can see here, you've got a full trip. You see that's 13 days, 45 hours of driving time, total distance, estimated cost, waypoints, overnight stays, and here you can see your full location, given that you have the premium package. Now let's have a look at what this premium package will cost. The premium on Roadtrippers can cost you from $35 a year, which really, if you take it up and you break it into months, it's not that much, and $60 as a maximum, really not that much. TripIt, same thing, $49 per year. It's not a lot of money if you're dividing it over the 12 months, and you're getting a fair amount of features in both of these packages from both of these apps. Now, between Roadtrippers and TripIt, I really think that Roadtrippers is awesome. If you're going to be traveling and maybe you want somebody to help you travel, Roadtrippers has that built-in AI to help you find destinations and things to do and places to go. What do you folks think? Let us know in the comment section below. We will see you in another awesome video. Peace out.